CoConstruct is a powerful project management tool, but it's also an incredibly useful asset when it comes to financial tracking for construction businesses. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the best practices for using CoConstruct for managing your finances so you can stay organized, track your spending, and ensure your project stays within budget. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage the software for the most efficient financial management. Now, before we dive in, remember you can access CoConstruct completely free through the first link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses to get you started. But stay with me, because I'm going to reveal some key strategies that'll make your financial tracking more seamless than ever. Let's jump right into it. The first thing to keep in mind when using CoConstruct for financial tracking is setting up your budget properly from the start. You'll want to input all your costs in the system so you have a clear view of how much money you're working with. This includes material costs, labor costs, subcontractor fees, and any other expenses you can foresee. The more detailed your budget, the easier it will be to track everything as you go along. Next, regularly update your budget. As projects progress, the numbers can change. Be sure to update CoConstruct in real time when costs shift so you're not left with unexpected surprises. If there are any new line items that need to be added, make sure they're properly categorized. Keeping your budget accurate is essential for knowing where you stand financially at any given moment. The third thing is to use CoConstruct's invoicing features to stay on top of cash flow. By integrating your invoices directly into the system, you can track payments and balances in one place. This is incredibly helpful because it ensures you're not chasing down payments from clients or subcontractors. Plus, you can see when money is coming in and going out, giving you a clearer financial picture. The fourth thing is to monitor your change orders closely. Change orders are a common part of construction projects, but they can also throw off your budget if not handled carefully. CoConstruct helps you track these changes, and by making sure they're recorded properly, you can ensure that you're staying on top of any unexpected costs. Next, leverage CoConstruct's reporting features to keep track of your overall financial health. The software allows you to generate various reports that give you a snapshot of your project's financial status. Whether it's a profit and loss statement or a detailed breakdown of specific line items, having access to these reports makes it easy to see exactly where you stand, identify any issues early, and make adjustments. And finally, collaborate with your team directly in the software. CoConstruct allows multiple users to access the system, so your team members can stay on top of budgets, payments, and other financial details. This helps avoid miscommunication and ensures that everyone is on the same page when it comes to managing the finances of a project. To recap, set up your budget accurately, update it regularly, keep track of invoices and cash flow, monitor change orders, use reports to track financial health, and collaborate with your team. These best practices will make managing your finances in CoConstruct much smoother. Now, before you go, don't forget that you can try CoConstruct completely free using the first link in the description below and get an extended trial with some added bonuses that will help you get started on the right foot. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for more tips on using CoConstruct effectively.